carry my Chopbox. School the big that I have to focus. It no be easy for bad boy to pass course. So I know the joke, I have to pass course.
It's Chopbox to Chopbox. 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 It's Chopbox to Chopbox.
Academically, men no me a fit. Over school man as we me a hit. Your friend with the queen of cakes. You was sentiment no me a rich.
I don't man a boom ya kwa kudi. One man tema do winni be. Senior mighty my family lado. O chen me tin kora you for bello.
I read me the baby first. Bad girls, me get no contest. Many the girls, me be the hottest. Who did you want me they want to find number one concern. Formation minister.
Hey, now feel when I'm high as a girl with the les bobo na girl with the les bobo ni ade. That's some more catch, that's some more camp, some la no.
Lie way.
Ah, nya wasam na me making.
Capacity.
Yes, wa ko headmaster onya ko bunko to dwa ko susu nyina yesi ye yu adi nyina pacho. Me say me nia. Me be na ma ba beti.
Ah, enya teacher your friend say odi amono ho. Okay, terms be be.
Aha, odi amono.
Ah. Oh, about many from one be the show no me make some mama the punishment be wanya na me akra ni din koma. Oba ya hey hey me lesbobo. Make the headmaster cracker say ne evidence na enye cause we hu say me ga ni ye bibi enye no crack.
Wow.
Na hwe me lesbo enye no me.
Na do mo me lesbobo ni ana mo te say. Ah, omo mo ye lesbobo. But oni bibi de o say nyina ne say me di me din bad e bad fa ho fa follow me na ma din ne kakra ntos ma ona mfo nko na ehu ne ntwempana be say be ya e be drop lesbobo na omo de atos enye guy. So nti anda G na mfo be 2 3 benim sie on ye hwibom underground. On za ready me. So
ba from one to school ma say wan ka hwe anche okwa bochi ba na afede ba.
Na ye say afi na ai sabam. So nye la bia so nti unu after prep no opa emu nsem fa jetia ona enkope ba bi na entra na enchele be 20 minutes amra campus.
It's Chopbox to Chopbox. 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 It's Chopbox to Chopbox.
Academically, men no me a fit. Over school man as we me a hit.
What you cry am person me hwe wani wo ohunya mahin so school mother mo fo se den wo bi sa me be so why den me suma mo na mo akọ mo fo se den ha
this senior wo suma ya wa me esika o ya mfe esika ya so sika na
esika mo hwe ya kasa na wo kasa sia wo wa sheda yo ho se de wo ye no wa twe cross ato wani ni wachi enso ni suban kra wa to bo asha skirt start abusi ayi se he solebra so wo ana nam hana ayi from 3 for boys ne bo todwa 247 hey dan ho
senior please
kokoto I said senior please some bonja some kwasi asem na
senior what's the meaning of this
what's the meaning of mommy oh papa
Louisa, it's not right what's going on here
Carol can you imagine say me suma omo anko
wo suma omo anko
ai
na omo nyili
na come on then
Rachel get up Thank you, senior.
No. Carol.
Hey, leave. You can leave. Thank you.
Yeah. Carol?
Yeah?
How? Is it because say we assistant guest prefect Ninti and answer then?
Listen. Me buy na kama me tangible reason. And come in mom sorry.
Yeah. No, what if I didn't any disrespect?
I just walked them out.
Carol.
So what are you going to do about it?
Check Carol. O level nya me level. O lie nya me lie. Obi a on lane, obi a on hood or wo how. Me wo me hood, me wo me level. What I say, it is our level no hood nya me hooda. It doesn't mean say disrespect me anyhow. What disrespecting me right in front of Nkolawe?
What's so many passing? I don't have money for nearly down. You are just punishing them for nothing. We should buy out this school muani. You just walk around and maltreat the students. Why?
Carol, and try me lie. And try me. She akola ya de na se metia na only every right oba ya no se wakola wo mu a school doctor wo ma fine catch your school doctor no so on sorry nko but the other three there you can't just send them away like that.
I make us am sure no long talk bia hu here say me no be gina yi
Jesus say gabi
because school mo obi anum say dey enka ho ebodi ye ne ya adwen ye ne e boy ebodi bo mu say e ba de sua dey forget shit
let's be baby the red ball
second you true you real man kwan kam say e true real so I'm telling you honestly say me call na me guys be ya makwa na ekofia komo busuafo no say na omba mbedi di nkomo na ye dan na Germany na say to mo kanam so bia to meeting but omo di red ball nkomo ntia no na me ya ma dwen say Jack
plaza line
omo sis nice bia abro say bia be two stories na omo dan no so no nice toilet bath shim so light ne bobom ne red I say on say disco bulb no dia bobom to mo jeja gate na no down bibia nka ho I'm telling you e ho no wura mo ho high sabro sign e be say fitia nice oh yes guess so fresh 18 20 25 oh we should wura ba ho no timi wura nkotwa pictures timi should twa gate na no ankasa picture say na be kona fresh heavy color what them ho go so no jira gate na no utwem ese doso e rooms bebrebe ba hu say hoy
okwa odi anu na
WB odi €20
fixed price
factor hi ba ya bibini akom timi chiro say bia odi ende say dey ositi ende bi o metima chiro be €30
na ya yes krumo so no ya no phone na jagu on
odi abro ni o because sneaker 20 years get be no the same sneaker 40 years 50 years 60 years ma no so be the same sneaker it one ya abro ni ho
sa afeso ya say weather no woman na
any weather na we summer event summer
no man roll
yeah say guy we be kwa do park bi so mrofo be 500 no mo dwo mo no mo to awia oh yes oh say ga mako uni ma o maye ne sete so mo ti beach no na tawo se fom no da so no ne glass no hwawia say ya no da ho
yeah but so sorry we check you
na say ga bo bia ye fa bibi a naked pool
really I'm giving you the last warning and better say who more treaty and cranny say bioma me do be call principal ho
I like this principal
oh yes
principal right yo nigga
yes sir
share
what does that
ne long bi o ye nkwa bi ejimi na me ma chi omo ha na me chi omo WhatsApp a oba ya ache so ya assistant girls prefect nti I walk you out form 1 I disgrace me in front of form 1 me kwa kan obe kan sem hu na kire me
Kero na ade na yes sir
o counterpart na ba na wo ka kire no de no be
sister wa anya ade
anya de ade
jai menye ye wo ho sa na de wo amba form 1 ni bia na wo fiti wa na aba form 3 e de na ekoso school mu anya obi na ye
ye be funny sir until you guys get disciplined
omo John say na boys ne so ye no boys dormitory o na mo munya prefect abato na eto mu Jack
mo discipline
na what discipline ho awie
discipline ho
hwe discipline free na ba
wo ba school ba form 1 obi ye wo sanka woni beka se ebiomu si ame me de obema principal adin na wudi suban wait school mu na ma school no pass through kakra mo nam school no mu yo na mo ko adin mama mo parents be pa
really
oh yeah
school fees was so sne ya dia na
ye tua pe ba me wo menim sen
asin
ye ka se tro myself cry wo hu no de wo ntro
Karo
na me pity mo ada po betwem
chale me ba ho na issue no ba bia ne nam ne de school de oba school say wo besua abrabo ye me fia nyansa wo school mu
sure
unim nyansa nke nja nkwan say wo nkwan abra
listen
oba ne omo besua de
listen
ni agro nya de wo besua nyansa
so wo ye bioma na report wa my principal
I like it my draw
Louisa
fa woso report me
obesua
let's try some more links
try
what's that Karo
Jack Emma gesene na da what
me come throw I say no anu no
enu wanti na mu don say heat ni wuntimi you can't stand the heat
obo
Ola from unka ho what na ma nyama nwie nyama na me be chew one on one
Jack ye konia we there
on say ya John say wakola no munya mo ya John
onye serious na guys SP no afa ni serious
me come to afa no work
who we school afako
make it push gabi uko uwe mani ama okino akodo ni ama kogulo keno alok na adudia upoyi na osafo na bre omo no uwe pu ho uko emfa hwenko naked o de da so bia de da so prada to prada tu uwe na hu bia o hwenisi ano nso hwe ono watwam da so paprapa o so da so paprapa e wontim fa nko fixe da bi Ba o dware mu na osome na hu na se pagya no say hey Jack hu ne be ma do ba jai ha
You see, chika, enya wako.
me say there be a video call
Sir?
there me call ye o mo ne me kasa chese o mo tambe so e sa na bruchi ti bi atambe so
Only perfume bia.
perfume there be o say me ampa man fa perfume ma o ma me ko me tie champion ni bi na me dia ye me sani
Champion there John lie. Champion there.
say na perfume ye ben
Oh, so that I was thinking time bia so do.
say me man fa bia mo rasta ma ben
Me and I say common stuff.
common staff common
Yeah, staff.
okay not say any me so me ko class school awe se be din komo ate German for ma me pe bia ate
Kuma out papa said oh.
after class me say
Ade ase. Yeah, I study you. Per champion be found sound. Why? Kumasi. Kwasi we kra kwa bichi. Akoshibru ni to. Yeah, me for ba come to so.
Kumasi, on say me. You call breaking. Na na for chef na one love.
Tina, is it love overdose or is it out of mentiasie? Jealous ana pa na opa me broso. Because who say me no be no, just on te de ekona sekura na wo konto. Re first we low kra, no be able compare me first. It will make jaw chi dia for first. What you say? Oh, he overhauling you. This is no Kumasi. A two and no. O ma greasy no man say can see. Just
Kumasi, shey.
Na de o ye dey say. First you on kan kra.
When you say baba exams. It you share no for broken heart be am attack.
Oh, bibi anko tina enko sa.
What did they make am? Make am we fit abon na. Kumasi, are you homework no?
This is me na me the textbook no so kan until homework me solve we are let you
know.
What?
Madam, why are you still idling about after class?
Madam, we are discussing.
Yeah, we are discussing the homework the teacher gave us.
Tina, you used to be a very promising student when it came to formal.
She used to be.
In fact, SP, she's one of my favorite students.
I know, madam.
So why have you fallen into bad company? This boy you're hanging about with is a lost case. I don't even think he can even finish school. So why are you letting him ruin your life?
Yeah, you see, madam, these are the things that I've been talking about you all this while.
Yeah.
It's been happening.
Oh, SP, but I told you she's my friend.
Will you shut up?
Madam, me, I'm a SU.
Yes, you always go to
SU.
This brings to mind the things I've been hearing. I learned you guys are dating in school.
No.
Yes, Kumasi, I've even confronted him myself.
How? Madam, it's never true.
It's Chopbox to Chopbox. 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 It's
So Monique.
Yes, sir.
It's not as if me tata and me how I do. But I thought say a beer and cat or share the way I miss shower and I won't know the way I miss shower. You will realize say Gavin. What is it about? I'm of age. And okay, fine. What tribe are you?
I'm a Fanti.
Hey, I have Fantini.
You know.
Lovely. Oh, Master, me have Fantino. For a palm now, say.
If you go more, I don't know.
Naturally, waffle.
Brother and sister, you know, those level, yeah.
Monique, let me get back to what I was talking
I'm
about.
Listening.
As I was saying, I'm of age and I need to settle. Talking about settlement is finding a great woman that can take care of my family. Talking about my kids and myself.
Okay.
And to too many, you're the perfect match, Monique. I mean, you are just what the doctor prescribed.
It's rather unfortunate. I can't date you. I can't go out with you. Unless you are going out with one of the students. So if you should come and stand here right now and tell me you want to date me, what do you mean? Date
Me?
Hey,
me?
Voila.
The thing you have to know is, Kumasi, you can't be doing all these things on campus.
Oh yeah.
It's not good. SP, you know we are mates. You know we are not dating. Why are you doing this?
He's just a friend.
Oh, SP. Madam, it's not true. We are just friends.
I keep advising you and talking to you about this thing.
SP.
But you don't get me.
Tina, it's just my friend.
Let me advise you also, okay? Let this be the first and last time I see you hanging about with him. You're one of my favorite students. It's not going to help you.
Yes.
He's going to ruin your life. When I hear anything about him now, he's going home, instant dismissal. Even the headmaster has lost faith in him. Such a scoundrel, vagabond.
Very troublesome as well.
You are too promising a student to be hanging out with him. Please. Come on, proceed to your dormitory.
Yes. I'll bring you inside. Whatever you want to take to, hey, give it to the SP.
Yes, give it to me. I'll go and give it to you.
It's an exercise book.
Give it to the SP.
I'll give it to you so that I go and give it to you.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
Hey, pass this way. Have you forgotten the route to the boys' dormitory?
Madam, he's been telling all this while.
This boy is so terrible.
Madam, please, I would advise you keep talking to him.
Nah, the next report I get of him, instant dismissal.
Madam, please.
Oh, yes.
It's Chopbox to Chopbox. It's Chopbox to Chopbox.
See, that was a new student to be called out. And you know, them girls, you won't was it. So if I should date you, now what would them and you call out? So what would they say about me? So if you want to tell me that you love me, then on Ayo, because I'm not interested.
No. Chopbox. They are kids. And you know, sometimes if you are a teacher and you don't mingle with them, you would never, you wouldn't notice anything, any bad thing that goes on. Free na many 1 year keke.
Yeah, you know, I was school, had right? And whatever that will start, it's supposed to start from here. In a relationship, by all means, they will see that the two of us are going out, we are doing this, and you know, they don't respect. So don't push me there, okay?
What from say Gavin? When you Debbie, I have no affair with none of them.
So sorry, I have lectures, I have to go. Can I? With your permission, can I go?
Edging there, the mom of baby. I don't even know what to say.
I'm sorry.
Monique, the whole thing is.
Honey, I'm sorry. No. Hey, how can you date me and date a student?
Man, you should write dialogues. How would more of him? Where first approach? Machine way. As I find for my DC, but you almost as last hour what James say.
Chopbox to Chopbox. It's Chopbox to Chopbox. It's Chopbox to Chopbox. It's Chopbox to Chopbox.